It is 100 degrees under the hot Jamaican sun. And what better way to cool down than a day at the river?
Me did that try for doing about mommy. I thought about Kira. I thought about
Kira?
He's sitting there already around the same thing.
Yeah, we can get on a push. But I do a lock up. We can go back in the house for it. We have to be smart enough.
Pops, you're not moving this, Pops. It's not a movie. A whole heap of little seed man coming tax and have to sit down in a jail. It's not a...
Today we're visiting St. Toolies River in the parish of Clarendon. First for a quick fill up at the gas pump, then we'll be off. Now this is where things started to go south. It started to rain.
But then again, in the river, everybody got him.
And we finally arrived at St. Toolies River, but it does not look as how it would normally look on a hot sunny day. This is St. Toolies River after a storm. We decided to just relax, enjoy the water, enjoy our day despite how the water looks, because sometimes in life your beautiful clear blue water river might get muddy. There might be circumstances where you feel like your water is muddy and you can't go through it, but live in the moment, enjoy yourself. That is all that matters. The water will get clear again and the sun will shine again.
So when you feel all alone, remember my promise to you. You're never alone, for I am with you. Child, you never know, never know. I'm with you.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday, boy.
Catch that! We get that! We get that back camera!
Look out, make way, tear it up. Don't play, cut it off. Grow back, throw back. Oh, in the stands, tell me who can send it like that. Ooh, who's gonna stop me from giving my all? No way. Pull on my heartstrings and answer the call. Okay. Sunrise up, then she taking it down.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday, so you can't find a way back home.